Today I review Playtive electric engine with trailer. Batteries AAA including. There is a rotating trailer and also the water tank. Inside you can fill up with water. Very smart. So that's the set, very nice made. Good couplings as always. Playtive have one of the best on the market couplings. Strong and flexible. That Locomotive is very good for younger children because it's only one button on the top. On off. Good plastic. I have that set over 2 years and still looks like new. That first trailer. That second trailer. The remove tank. There is a seal, no leaking at all. Straightforward battery in here. Let's test on a truck. Time for a test. Locomotive have rubbery wheels, so that help. Also, the trailer have rubber wheels. Sounds very good. Locomotive don't have a reverse gear, so it's only one way, but it's very nice looking locomotive with very good trailers, so I definitely recommend it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. More reviews soon. Bye.